Affiliate marketing might appear very complicated and involved, but if you know what you are doing, it can be a very rewarding experience. If you don't know what you are doing, you can lose a lot of money or customers. Don't worry, the tips listed in this article can help you avoid this. For more info, http://www.earninginlinuithvictor.com/. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets where you will be able to stand out. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor instead of using your link. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. Take some time and consider all your options before you decide to link to a product. Doing the homework to determine how to organize affiliate links within your website, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.